Dr. Stuart Anderson, a bushfire CRC project leader and scientist with SCION, New Zealand Forest Research Institute Limited, made a joint presentation with Glenn Newnham, a bushfire CRC researcher and research scientist with CSIRO Sustainable Ecosystems, on grassland curing and links to the Grassland Fire Danger Index.
The main things I talked about today were the work that we're doing in the CRC and the Grassland Curing Project, and the main focus there is to actually come up with some reliable techniques of determining the degree of curing in grasslands. Curing meaning the amount of dead material that's present in a grassland, and that's directly related to the flammability of those grasslands, ties into the fire danger rating system, the fire behaviour models. So the work that we've been doing is taking the latest technology that's available with satellite remote sensing and updating the current products with this new technology, and also extending that across the grasslands of Australia and New Zealand, so that we'll have reliable products that can be used across both countries. How they'll actually be able to use it will be, first of all, they'll have a product available to them that is more reliable than what is currently available, and it will also be broadly applicable to grasslands outside of where the current product was developed, which is mainly in the grasslands of Victoria and the southeast. So what we're doing in the project is developing a product that will apply to grasslands outside of the southeast, or just Victoria, and also uses new technology to be more accurate and more reliable for their day-to-day decision making around fire management in grasslands. Well, the product that we're working on specifically is actually a maps of curing using satellite imagery. So we're talking of maps at the state level that will reflect curing colour-coded across the state using the satellite imagery. So it will be that's the main product, a map showing the curing across different parts of the state, and the underlying raw data behind that can then be used to determine the fire danger levels, the fire potential in those grassland areas. The stage we're at the moment is we are running a pilot trial with agencies across southern Australia, from Western Australia right across to the east. We've got 4 products that we've developed, and we are putting those 4 products out weekly, so 4 different maps for each state, and we're providing those to the fire agencies. They are then providing us feedback on which products are working the best within their state, and from that we will then look to develop a final operational product that's best suited to the different states or regions across southern Australia. The one key take-home message is really what we're doing in the project is we're taking the latest technology that's available with satellite imagery, and we're providing an updated, improved product that has greater accuracy for assessing curing and in turn fire danger for grasslands across Australia.